Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. We'd like for you to subscribe to the channel. We enjoy positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're unboxing the LifePower A², and this battery allows you to plug in direct USB or your standard wall charger directly to this battery. So we'll get started on the unboxing. So they give you a nice Velveteen carry case. Then the battery itself is quite big, and it needs to be in order to charge your devices with the wall charger port. So as you can see, standard wall charger port there, and a full-size USB there. Hefty Battery shows you your charge level with battery option turn on and off. Then you have micro USB and charging there. So this is a massive battery, and the rest of the unboxing includes, looks like an informational packet, a quick guide, pretty simple, and then a charger for it. So you'd use this to AC charge the giant battery. This is the LifePower A², and you'll be able to read about my thoughts on this battery in my huge upcoming battery roundup. So to find that, follow me on Twitter, 24K. This is Chris Roshnot. Thanks for joining us for the unboxing of the LifePower A².